To everyone who wished to become a councillor, MP, senator, or a president in 2028, if CAP3 succeeds, we might not have elections until 2037. Nzalabda mashukamda nyokopangwa inoi na Isaac Makomich achiti what a sad story for Zimbabwe. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Makomich anendambira achiti, it's a shame to see people with leadership potential supporting CAP3, which will close all those doors for you, or for a few pieces of silver from Jigananda. Some of you are being used. Once their plan succeeds, you will be dealt with and discarded. As for me, Isaac Makomich, I believe I have the potential to become a councillor or MP in the future. That's one of the reasons I'm against CAP3. The corruption level is too high, the poverty level is too high, and yet they are focused on changing the constitution instead of changing the situation on the ground. Let's support Vice President Chiwenga because he is fighting for the public. No much relevance and Obudapangwa in a set story for Zimbabwe. And you're gonna Isaac Makomich shit Iowa. Pangwa in people who are being used to support CAP3. Soon, vachazoya pangwa ine vachibitrewa zvavo noda kuti Zigananda aiwa ndo moto yavo ndo mugariro wavo. Pinda comment section medu mudzavafukura enyi muri kudii pamusoro pe this development. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, on the bell icon.